Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Joel from Dorm Room Gardener, and today we're going to be giving you a 15-week update on our apple sapling we planted in March.
Alright guys, so this apple tree has been under my care for the last month and a half. Being the summer, Joel and I have separated. Joel's back home in Steinbach and I've been here doing a summer course. So it's still been in CMU campus. Now, if you come closer, a couple of things I'll point out to you. First off, this has grown quite tall. It's about the same height as my torso. Second off, as it grew taller, it needed some more structural support, so I put a stint there just made out of a coat hanger. You can see it's just outgrown the top. When I first put the stint on, the height was probably only down to here, so it's really helped it grow vertically and really reach for that sunlight. Another thing you might notice is that these leaves here, they look quite unhealthy, and that's because this is where it outgrew the grow light. So the grow light sat at about this level. So these leaves down here were getting really nice and lots of light, and these leaves right here were getting absolutely nothing. So I had to move it to the windowsill, which does give it less light overall, which is why we've noticed some slowing down of the growth. Another interesting thing, if you come really up close here, and you've got to go searching for it, is we have some secondary branches on the base. Another one around here, if you come look. So that's really cool to see that starting to happen at the base, and really starting to flesh out the bottom of the plant.
Thanks for watching, guys. This has been our 15-week update. We hope you enjoyed this video, and there will be more updates in the future. Thanks for watching.
Peace.